respected all over the world, but today we're celebrating it the Shona way. Guys, what's the Shona word for love?
It's Rudo.
Rudo is more than a feeling. It's something you choose every day.
Saka isu tine Rudo, that's why we teach Shona as a team.
Exactly.
Okay, so how do I say I love you in Shona?
You say Ndinokuda.
Mia, Ndinokuda.
Say yes, Mia! Yes! Makorokoto, Olu and Mia!
Wow, look at you two. Olu, you even brought a Ruva. Not just any flower, but a Valentine's Ruva.
Exactly!
Yes, I wanted to make it special.
You are a gentleman, Olu.
Guys, what do we call many flowers in Shona?
Maruva!
Hey everyone! Why is everyone smiling like this? What did I miss?
A lot, Lee. Olu just gave me a Ruva and said Ndinokuda.
Whoa, that means I love you, right? Exactly, Lee. And today we're learning more Shona Valentine's words. Okay, everyone, repeat after me. Ruva.
Ruva!
Repeat after me again. Maruva.
Maruva!
Olu and Mia, in a relationship you must show faithfulness.
Correct, Tari.
In Shona, faithfulness is called kuvimbika.
Great to know, Tari.
Now repeat after me.
Kuvimbika.
Mia, uchavimbika here.
Yes, Olu.
No, I was not ready for Kutsvoda!
Ooh, sweet, Kutsvoda na.
Let me guess. To kiss in Shona is Kutsvoda.
Perfectly.
But wait, Mia, I promised Kuvimbika at least until lunchtime.
Classic.
Well, I brought something for you guys too. In Chinese culture, red means good luck and happiness. So I made these for my friends. Aw, Lee, that's so thoughtful. In Shona, we say Waita basa. Thank you for your effort, Lee.
You're welcome.
And a heart in Shona is called Moyo. So I can say everyone here has a Moyo that pumps blood?
Exactly.
And here's one more Shona phrase for today. Mudiwa wangu, which means my lover or my beloved.
Great.
Mia, should I say Mudiwa wangu?
Only if you behave. And remember our Shona phrase for Valentine's Day.
Rudo harungotaurwi, runoratidzwa.